Navodaya Vidyalayas are India's number one central government schools. They are the beautiful schools with the all-round development of children. Are you preparing for Navodaya? Do you want to join Navodaya? We are Navodayans providing preparation classes for all the students who are preparing for Navodaya selection test. So, in this video, we are going to study chapter number 1, that is number system, and exercise number 1. Problem number 1. Here the question is 12 thousands plus 13 hundreds plus 2 tens is equal to. So he is asking for 12,000. 12 and 12,000 this is, and then 13 hundreds. Okay, 13 hundreds and then 2 tens, that is 20. Okay, here is the sum of all these three numbers, that is 0 plus 0 plus 0 0, and this is 2, this is 3, and this is 13. So the answer is 13,320, and it is there in 13,320, option number 2. And coming to the second question, the difference between greatest number of 4 digits and the smallest number of 5 digits. So what is the greatest number of 4 digits? We want 4 places. Okay, and the greatest number is all 9s. So this is the greatest number of 4 digit numbers, and the smallest number of 5 digits number. The smallest of 5 digit number is 5 places and all zeros except the first place. So this is the smallest of 5 digit number, and this is the greatest of 4 digit number, and he is asking for difference. For the difference we have to do minus. Okay, 1 2 3 4 zeros and 4 nines, that is 10,000 minus 9,999 is 1, right? So answer is 1, and here it is, option number 1. And next one is 3. Question number 3. The place value of 5 in this number. Here we are having question number 3, 6, 4, 5, 3, 2, 9, 8, 1. Okay, here we are having this large number, and we have to figure out how we could able to give the place values. First one is, this is ones place, and this is tens place. Okay, and this is hundreds place, and this is thousand, and this is 10,000. Okay, this is lakhs, and this is 10 lakhs, and this is 1 crore, right? And in the question he is asking the place value of 5. So where is the 5 here, and what is the place value of this 5? So the place value of this 5 is lakhs, and the value is 5, right? So the answer is 5 lakhs. The answer is 5 lakhs, and it is in the option number 3. Okay, and coming to the fourth question, 90,000 and 99. We have to write 90,000 and 99. So whenever we are having any question which is regarding this place values and face values, first of all you just always create a template, simple template, so that we can keep it as reference, and we will be able to do all type of this kind of things easily. Okay, that is ones place, and next one is tens place, next one is hundredth place, next one is thousands, next is 10,000, next is lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, and 10 crore. So this is the template which will be helpful for us whenever we are having this kind of questions. Here he is asking for 90,000. Okay, 90,000 is nothing but a 9 number which is in the place of 10,000. So where is the 10,000 here? The 10,000 is here. So, and keeping 9 here becomes 90,000, and then he is asking for 99. So where we can keep 99? Tens place 9 and ones place also 9, and fill all other empty places with zeros. Okay, so this is the correct option and correct answer for 90,099. So 190099, where it is? Yes, option number 4. 190099. So this is the answer for fourth question. And next one, coming to the fifth one, that is the difference between largest and the smallest numbers of 3 digits. So let's keep a 3 places here. So this is 3 digit, and then he is asking for largest. So what is the number digit which is largest among 0 to 9? That is 9, right? So 999 is the largest of 3 digit number. And then what is the smallest of 3 digit number? So we can't keep 0 in the first place, right? So we have to keep 1 and then all zeros, that is 100. And he is asking for difference. So difference is nothing but minus. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. So the answer is 899. And it is there in option number 3. Okay. And next one is sixth question. In number 36490, okay, 36490, when the digits 6 and 9 are interchanged, he is asking us to interchange the places of 6 and 9. That is, we have to keep 9 in the place of 6 and 6 in the place of 9. Okay, and then the difference between the original and the new number. Okay, let's swap these numbers and let's make a new number in which the place of 6 is filled with 9 and place of 9 is with 6. Here 3. Next one is 6, right? So we have to keep it as 9, and 4 same, and in place of 9 we have to keep 6 and 0. So next we have to find out difference between original number and the new number. So what is the number which is larger in these two numbers? 39,000 is bigger number, 36,000 is smaller number, right? So we have to find out the difference between these two numbers. That is 39,460 minus 36,490. Okay, so 0 minus 0 is 0, and here we are having 6 and we have to do minus of 9. So we don't have enough numbers. We will be bringing 10 from the next number, that is 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 plus 6 is 7 here. And here we have given one digit, so it will be 3. 3 minus 4 is not possible, so we will be bringing one more 10 here. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. And here we are having 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So the difference between these two numbers is 22,970. Where it is 2,970. It is there in the option number 3. This is about the sixth question. And let's go to the seventh one. Here the question 7th is, which of the following is the correct expression of 43062 in terms of power of 10? Here we are having powers of 10 for every place value. Like we are having these ones, tens, and then hundreds, thousands, 10,000, and 1 lakh, like that, right? So we know all the place values of these numbers. That is, this is 1, this is 10, and this is 100, and next one is 1000, and next one is 10,000, and next one is 1 lakh. Okay, so we know the normal numbers, but we don't know how we could able to write these numbers in power of 10. Power of 10 is nothing but whenever we are doing any mathematical things like 10 into 10, we can write this number as 10 power 2. So how we can write? The number which is getting multiplied, we will be writing in big number, and then how many times we are multiplying this. Here we have multiplied this 10 2 times, right? So we are keeping 10 and we are counting the tens here. There are 2 tens, so we are keeping it in the power. So whenever we write like 10 into 10 into 10, then we will be calling this as 10 power 3. Okay, and then if we write something like 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, we have multiplied 10 for 1, 2, 3, 4 number of times, so power 4. So this is how we will be finding powers of 10. So here also, here we are having 1 and next one is 10. 10 is also nothing but 10 power 1, and 100 is 10 into 10, right? So 100 is 10 power 2, and 1000 is 10 power 3, 10,000 is 10 power 4, and 1 lakh is 10 power 5. And what about this one? So 1 is 10 power 0. This one we have to keep in mind. This is an important point. So whenever we are having 1, any number power 0 is 1. Any number power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so after knowing about this information, let's go to the problem here. Okay, so here we will be seeing 2 is in units place, that is in one place, right? So for 2 we need to multiply it with the 10 power 0, where it is in the second option. And next one 6, for 6 we have to multiply it with the 10 power 1, so it is there in this one. And next 0 is 10 power 2, 3 is 10 power 3, 4 is 10 power 4, and the exact option can be found in option number 2. So the correct answer is this one. Okay, and that is about the 7th question. Let's go to the 8th one. Find the smallest number which by adding or subtracting or from any even number will be an odd number. So we all know what are the odd numbers and even numbers, right? So even numbers are, so what are the even numbers? The numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. So what are those? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. These are the even numbers. So what are the odd numbers? The numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. So what are those? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And he is asking for like by which number either we have to add or we have to subtract from an even number so that it will become odd number. Here we are having 2. Okay, so what we have to do to this 2 to make it as odd? This is an even number. What we have to do to make it as odd? Can we do plus 1? Yes, it becomes 3. Can we do minus 1? It becomes 1. So 1 and 3 are odd numbers only. So whenever either we do plus 1 or minus 1, then it becomes an odd number. Not only for 2, for any even number, either we do plus 1 or minus 1, it will become odd only. So where is the 1 here? The option number 2 is given with 1. Okay, so that's about 8th one. Let's move on to the 9th question. And 9th question is, he is given some numbers using digits 1, 0, 5, 7. The greatest 4-digit number formed. He is asking for 4-digit number. So 4-digit number. Here we are having 4 places to fill. Okay, and he is asking for greatest, large number, not the small number. So what is the largest among these all 4 numbers? 7 is the first largest number. And then what is the next largest number? 5. And next what is the next largest number? 1. And next 0. So this is the greatest 4-digit number which we could able to make with these 4 digits 1057, that is 7510. Okay, and then next coming to the 10th question. The smallest 4-digit even number. It should be 4-digit and it should be even. Okay, that means even number, the last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. It should be right. Okay, here we are given the digits are 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so we are having 4 places here. He is asking for largest, right? So okay, sorry, he is asking for smallest. He is asking for smallest. So what is the smallest among all these 4 numbers? It should be even. It should be even, right? So which number would be better if we could make it as in the last number? Either it should be 0 or it should be 2. Okay, let's see. In all these 4 numbers, what is the smallest number? That is 0. But we can't write 0 here in the first place. So what is the next smallest number? 1. Okay, and next what is the next smallest number? 0. Okay, and next what is the next smallest number? 2. But if we write 2 and 3 here, it won't become even number. But he won't even, right? So it is better to write 3 and 2. So 1032 is the smallest even number formed by these 4 digits. That is 1032. It is in the option number 2. So these are about 10 sums of the chapter 1. And if you want further more sums from this exercise and regarding the next chapter, you can comment me and you can contact me or ask me for the more explanations. If you are having any doubts or if you need any more clarifications from this chapter, or if you want concept related videos, please do comment me. Okay, if you are new to this channel and if you want to prepare for the Navodaya entrance examination, please do subscribe and avail all the information like content explanations of the all like Navodaya preparation